To ensure you're home and able to bring your tree indoors immediately after it arrives, please follow the tracking information online closely. In the hot sun, your tree can overheat quickly in its box. Carefully cut the packing tape at the top of the box using a razor or scissors. Be sure to keep the blades shallow to avoid damaging the tree. Gently remove the tree and its growing pod from the box, setting aside the tree guard, zip ties, and stakes in a safe place. You will not need them for a few weeks. Remove the tape and top cup from the growing pod. The top cup can be recycled. Loosely loop the tree tag around your tree to ensure it's labeled correctly if you've ordered multiple trees. Keep the burlap sack securely tied. There is no need to open it for watering. Fill the growing pod to the top of the burlap sack with room temperature water. Allow the water to sit for 2 minutes. Dump out the excess water by carefully tipping the growing pod upside down over the sink to drain any excess. The tree will remain secure. Place your tree in a safe, sunny location where it can stay for the next few weeks. Refer to the Care Until Planting instructions for detailed information on caring for your tree during the first few weeks.